Hello everyone from Elif's Kitchen. Today, I want to share with you my recipe for meatballs in a creamy mushroom sauce, which will become one of your favorite meatballs once you try it. Let's take half a kilogram of medium-fat ground beef into a mixing bowl. Add 1 grated onion on top, 2 cloves of grated garlic, 1 egg, 1 teacup of breadcrumbs, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Let's knead our meatball mixture thoroughly for a few minutes. Then, wetting our hands occasionally, let's break off pieces about the size of a walnut and roll them. You can also make them in smaller sizes if you wish. After shaping our meatballs, let's put 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil in the pan and heat it slightly. Let's place our meatballs in the pan. Let's fry them lightly on all sides by turning them. They don't need to be fully cooked, just lightly browned is enough. Then, let's transfer them to a plate. To the oil remaining in the pan, let's add 1 thinly chopped onion. Add 2 to 3 cloves of grated garlic on top and sauté for a few minutes. At this stage, the oil seemed a bit insufficient to me, so I added 2 more tablespoons of oil. You can add more too if you like. Then, let's add 400 grams of thinly chopped mushrooms. Over medium heat, sauté while stirring occasionally, until the mushrooms release their water and then reabsorb it. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste to the mushrooms that have absorbed their water. Let's sauté for a few more minutes. For the sauce, in a separate bowl, let's add starch, about 1 finger less than half a teacup. So, about 2 tablespoons. Add 2 cups of cold milk on top and mix well. Let's add this mixture slowly to the mushrooms while stirring. If the consistency is too thick at this stage, we can add more milk or water. I added another 2 cups of milk. So, in total, I added 4 cups of milk. Let's add about half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper. Then, let's add half a pack, or about 1 teacup, of liquid cream. At this stage, I also added 1 cup of water. The consistency shouldn't be too thick, as you can see. Let's add our meatballs to the sauce. Let's stir so the sauce covers all sides. Close the lid and let it cook on low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. I cooked it for about 15 minutes on low heat. Let's remove our meatballs from the stove and serve them hot. I sprinkled some chopped parsley on top. It turned out to be a great meatball, tasting like Swedish meatballs. If you like saucy meatballs like this, I'm sure you will love this recipe. If you've watched my video this far and liked it, you can support me with your likes, comments, and shares. Thank you for watching.